Okay, what the hell, Mother Nature? Last week, I take my kid out, we make a snowman. This week, it looks like this. Go out there last week, and he's into it. He's loving the snow pants. He's attacking the snow, throwing it, having fun, loving being included with his big brothers and sister. And then this. Make a snowman?
Yeah.
Is this weather confusing you?
Yeah.
You were just making snowman. A snowman.
They're going out. So
sorry, the blizzard of 2012, the warm-up of 2013. I can't take it. And it might snow next week, but I just kind of want to keep it going. I don't like this up and down and, freezing and thawing and freezing and thawing. Like, if it's going to be cold and I'm going to live in a northern state, I just want it to be cold. If it's going to be gray and cold, let's have snow. Let's just do it. Let's have the pond frozen so we can skate on it. Let's make the snowman last longer than a week in the yard. Let's just do it. So whatever it takes, Mother Nature, global warming people, they're too young to know the Frosty isn't real. It's too soon. Throw it, Mommy. Does that make you happy?
Yeah.